Dollar Tree now has their own version of the pink stuff cleaner, y'all, and it's called MultiPurpose Cleaning Paste. Hey friends, Tandy here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dollar Tree MultiPurpose Cleaning Paste. We will put it to test and see if it's worth adding to your cleaning caddy or not. This is what it looks like. It's a mild abrasive cleaning paste. It has a thick consistency, which is good. Look at that, not bad at all. It also forms, and that is key for me because your girl like to see those bubbles. Can anyone relate? Let me know in the comments. Also, what I like is it won't turn into a rock or harden after opening like what I've seen in other cleaning paste, but it will remain soft. Another important thing to note is this cleaning paste has a fresh scent that is not overpowering at all. The multi-purpose cleaning paste is versatile. You can use it to clean different areas in the kitchen, bathroom, and around the house. Today I'm going to be testing the product in the kitchen first. Let's do this. I tried the multi-purpose cleaning paste on the oven glass door. As you can see, this oven glass door is extremely dirty out. Let's see how this is going to work out. Because of how dirty this glass oven door is, I had to use a little bit of some elbow grease. But I'm sure it'll be different if it's not as dirty as mine here. Look at the before. And now the after. Here the paste removed most of the dirt. As you can see, there's a bit of some leftover stuck on dirt though, but this can be removed with a scraper. Overall, the oven glass door looks much better than what it was. Next, I tested the product on this stainless steel sink. As you can see, it has some mild hard water stains. If you have a problem with hard water deposits or hard water stains on your sink faucet, check out this video here. The cleaning tip I show you will help you tackle this problem and make your faucet sparkling clean. Here there's a difference. The product cleaned out the mild hard water stains, and after wiping the sink, it is shiny and clean. Look at that. Onto the pots and pans. I also use the cleaning paste to clean under this stained pot. If you're getting any value from this video, may you hit that like button so the video can spread to more people. Thank you so much for your support. On this part, the cleaning paste removed some of the stains, as you can see, but it didn't tackle these other stains here. The next area we are going to test the cleaning paste is grout. Just out of curiosity, I tried the cleaning paste on grout. Look how dirty this grout is. Let's see if this product will perform here. So I applied just a little bit of the paste and cleaned using a grout brush. Okay, on this one, I'm really impressed. Look at the before. And now the after. Huge difference. The paste cleaned so well here. This is definitely a big yes for me. Overall, for a $1.25 cleaning product, I'm really impressed with this Dollar Tree multi-purpose cleaning paste. It worked well on most areas I tested it on. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for an affordable cleaning product that works on different areas around the house. If you have tried this multi-purpose cleaning paste, let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Be on the lookout for part 2 of this video where we will be tackling the bathroom area. My job is done here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.